If you are planning any trip this summer, this is the word for you. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word called sefer. Sefer. Sefer is a journey, a trip, or a travel. Phrases first and then sentences. Uzun sefer, a long journey. Weekend trip, hafta sonu seferi, short one. Travel plans, sefer planları. I wish you all to make those. Good ones, of course, positive ones. Now, sentences. Uzun sefer üçün bilet aldık. Çünkü yol boyu yeni şehirleri ve dadları keşfetmeyi planlaştırırıq. We bought tickets for a long journey because we plan to discover new cities and tastes along the way. Uzun sefer üçün for a long journey. Bilet aldık. We bought tickets. Çünkü because yol boyu along the way yeni şehirleri ve dadları new cities and tastes keşfetmeyi planlaştırırıq. We plan to discover. I wish you this to all. Now, sefer planları üzerinde gece yarısına dek işledim. Ama yine de marşrutu daha rahat etmek için varyantlar aktarırım. Let's see. I worked on the travel plans until midnight. Yet, I'm still looking for options to make the route more comfortable. Sefer planları üzerinde on the travel plans gece yarısına dek işledim. I worked until midnight. Gece yarısına dek until midnight. Yet, ama yine de no, actually. Yet, yine de ama, yet, but, still, basically. Yine de, yet, still. It's weird, I know. It's because I'm trying to show you how it's the word ama is but, yine de is still, but the right translation here, yet I'm still. Hence, it's the confusion. Now, marşrut is the loan word, the route. Daha rahat etmek için, to make it more comfortable, varyantlar aktarıram. Looking for options. Variant is another loan word. Variant, option, varyantlar, options. Aktarıram. You may hear someone saying, yollar aktarıram. Yol, way, yollar, ways. Okay? Now, today's word was sefer. That use? My wallet said no, but my heart booked the sefer anyways. I have mastersazabajian.com where every 10 days I post more information, tips and tricks on grammar, cultural, historical uses of the language. I also have built Master Azerbaijani app for you, available in Google Store and App Store, where you can learn more about the language. And I'm giving Module 1 for you away, which is the foundations to set you up for success. Otherwise, come back tomorrow here. Cheers.